Meteor showers occur when the Earth passes through a cloud of cometary debris. In this case, the Taurids are caused by the Earth plowing through debris left behind by Comet Encke and Asteroid 2040. Every year between September and November, Earth flies through a large stream of debris left behind by Comet and the asteroid. Dust associated with the comet slams into the Earth's atmosphere at speeds of 65,000 miles per hour and burns up, producing the Taurids. In a typical year, the showers are weak, with only a few Taurids visible each night. Other years, the Taurids can put on a real show. Taurid meteors tend to be larger than usual, which means they're bright and many of them are fireballs. They also penetrate deeper into Earth's atmosphere than many other meteor showers. For example, while the Orionids usually burn up at an altitude of 93 kilometers, the Taurids burn up at a depth of up to 67 kilometers. Taurid meteors can be seen anytime in September, October, or November when the constellation Taurus is above the horizon. The best time to look for the Taurids is after midnight when the constellation Taurus is high in the sky is dark and clear, and the moonlight does not hide the faint meteors. Considering the behavior of the Taurids so far, we may observe an increase in fireball activity during the last week of October and the first 2 weeks of November. The Taurids are actually two separate showers with southern and northern components. The southern Taurids originate from Comet Encke, and the northern Taurids from Asteroid 2040. Asteroid 2040 may be a larger fragment of Encke, as they have similar orbital parameters. It is named after the radiant point of Taurus, from which it appears to come from the sky. They are also called Halloween fireballs because they appear in late October and early November. The southern Taurids can be seen anytime between September 10th and November 20th. The northern Taurids come from a nearby but slightly different stream. They are active from approximately October 20th to December 10th. Both showers produce about 5 meteors per hour, 10 total if they overlap, some of which are fireballs. Let's take a look at Comet Encke. Comet Encke was first discovered on January 17, 1786 by Pierre F. A. McCain. Although other astronomers discovered the comet in later writings, the sightings were not identified as the same comet until Johann Franz Encke calculated its orbit. Comet Encke is a small comet. Its nucleus is about 3 miles (4.8 kilometers) in diameter, about 1/3 the size of the object thought to have caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. Encke takes 3.30 years to orbit the Sun. Comet Encke has the shortest orbital period of any known comet in the solar system. The last time Encke reached perihelion closest approach to the Sun was in 2015. Now let's look at Asteroid 2040. 2040 is a medium-sized asteroid that crosses Earth's orbit. NASA JPL classified TG-10 as a potentially hazardous asteroid in 2004 because of its predicted close encounters with Earth. 2040 TG-10 orbits the Sun every 1,220 days, 3.34 years, approaching within 0.31 astronomical units and moving away from it by up to 4.16 astronomical units. Its orbit is highly elliptical. 2040 TG-10 has a diameter of about 1.3 kilometers, making it larger than 99% of all asteroids and comparable in size to the U.S. Department of Defense. Where can you see the Taurids? The meteor shower is best seen on a cloudless night when the stars are well and clearly visible. Try to find a location with a dark sky, a clear horizon, and as little light pollution as possible. The Taurid meteor shower is not that spectacular, so you can use this as an opportunity to familiarize yourself with the night sky. Maybe, if you're lucky, you'll spot a shooting star. Adapt to local conditions and be careful not to shine light sources directly into your eyes so you can see the fainter meteors. There is no advantage to using binoculars or a telescope. Look up with your own eyes and take in as much of the sky as possible.